if you have a ton of LUT on your hard drive for color grading and you want to use them efficiently, you want to organize them, then I have the tool for you. I'm a video editor, I'm also a programmer, and I create a little tool for myself that I share with you. It's totally free. It's called Lutme. So we open it. By default, it's going to import a default folder for Final Cut with all your LUTs, but you can import other LUTs where you put your LUTs, because if you use Resolve, you can import these LUTs. For example, I'm going to open and select that folder. Then you can also see the different LUTs in your collection. You can also create a new subdirectory. So for example, I'm calling it black and white because I want to regroup all the LUTs I find in my LUT collection that are kind of black and white and put them in that folder. I import an image, then it's going to basically apply right now to all my LUTs, that photo to all my LUTs. I can see them. I can see a before and after. Okay. I can also select an individual folder, and then I will probably, let's see if there is one that is black and white. I don't know. Where are they? Okay, perfect. I find one, and then you can grab it, put it in the black and white folder, and then now in my black and white folder I have my LUT. So next time I need a black and white filter, a black and white LUT, I can just look in my black and white folder. So it's a quick way to organize all your LUTs, and you can then also export the result. Uh, so let's do that. You can see it now. Hop. So you can do the color grading there if you want. If you open an image and you wanted to use it for like a Instagram filter somehow. But me personally, I use that tool to extract a frame from my Final Cut timeline. Then I import it there. I look at all the LUTs. I select the right one for me. Then I go back to Final Cut and select that LUT. And so I don't waste my time clicking around. I can see basically all my LUTs applied to my hero frame basically, and it's super fast as you can see, and you can really quickly see which LUT is right for you. Okay guys, it was a quick overview of what you can expect from Lutme. It's free, you can download it and play with it. If you have any feature you would like added to that program, I would love to hear your suggestion, and I hope you have a good time editing.